Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this Maybelline palette. This is the Lemon Craze palette, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Super, super pretty. Those two bright shades just drew me into this palette, and I had to get this palette just to try out those shades. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do for this eye look, but we're just gonna put some shades on my eyes and see where it goes from there. So I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows, and then we will get into the palette. Okay, so I've finished my eyebrows. I just want to throw in like a quick thing. Sorry that my makeup isn't to the best of my abilities. If you've seen my what's in my travel bag, you would know that I basically only brought my everyday makeup with me, so I don't really have much of the things that I would normally put on my face. I was very stupid and didn't pre-record, so I'm now facing the consequences of that. Trying my best to make my makeup look the best as I can with the materials that I have. I promise when I get home that I will probably be doing like full-faced makeup like tutorials again, with obviously with different products, but right now I'm just using like the same products. I don't really want to show it because it's kind of like my everyday makeup routine, but like upped instead, so I didn't really feel like no need to show that since I've already done a makeup, like everyday makeup routine. I just want to put that out there. But anyway, let's get into the eye makeup. So obviously the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, obviously. The shade I'm going to take is this light shade right here. This is the shade Sunnies. I'm going to take that and place it all over my lid to set my eyeshadow primer. So the next shade that I'm going to use out of this palette is this shade down here. This is the shade Berry Ice. I'm going to take this on a Wet n Wild blending brush. I think that in my crease. Just all over. Like you're making a rainbow of Berry Ice. Blend Berry Ice out again. So next in the palette, I'm going to take this pink shade right here, that's Coral Punch. I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to use this AOA brush. This is an E135 brush from AOA. Take my Morphe brush and blend that out. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going to use is this bright pink shade. This is the shade Ice Pop. I'm going to take my MAC, this is a 285 brush. I'm going to pack this all in my crease. Same rainbow shape. I'm going to blend this back out. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to do, this metallic shade. Shade is Sugar Coated. I'm going to take some of it and pack it on a little bit onto my lid with this. This is actually a MAC concealer brush, but I'm just gonna, I don't really have any other flat shader brushes with me at the moment, so we're just gonna have to do with what we have. I'm gonna just take some on the brush and then put it on my lid. And while it looks pretty decent, I think that maybe some setting spray will actually get the job done, so I'm just gonna spray it on there and then pick it up with the brush, and then we're gonna go in to my lid. Wow, this is such a beautiful shade. It's really like a rose gold shade is what it is. Then I'm going to take my Morphe blending brush and just so it just blends together. Now I'm going to go back with that sunny shade, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, put this on my brow bone. Okay, so now that I'm done with the eyeshadow look, I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face. Then I will come back and talk to you about my feelings about this palette. Okay guys, so my face is done, and I'm here to review the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette that I just did this look on, and I'll zoom in so you can see what my eyes look like. So, I actually really like this palette. It was very easy to work with. It had a good amount of transition shades that I was able to create this look with. Beautiful shimmery shades, metallic shades. It's a very nice palette overall. I also wanted to mention that the highlight that I'm wearing today is actually from this palette. It's one of the eyeshadows. It's this shade right here. It's called Citrus. I wanted to see what it would look like, and it's very nice. I actually really like it, and I just dropped the palette. Yeah, it's a really good palette. I think the only thing that I can complain about is that there's no mirror in here like anywhere, but that's fine. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have other things in their collection that have mirrors, so they can use those. Like, that's not something that would stop me obviously from buying the palette. It was less than $10. It's very pigmented. I do have to say that the shades don't really feel very like buttery when you like touch them like with your fingers. The shimmery shades do, but the matte shades and stuff, they're very like they feel like chalky a little bit from the texture when you touch them, but they blend out on the eye very beautiful. What they feel in the pan isn't gonna wouldn't turn me off from this palette, because the color payoff on my eyes is spectacular for 10 bucks. It's crazy to me. I guess that's why it's called Lemonade Craze. Really like these shades, and the names are so cute. There's Sherbet, Berry Ice, Sunnies, Main Squeeze, Strawberry Lemonade, Lemonade Craze, Coral Punch, Ice Pop, Citrus, Old Fashioned, Sugar Coated, and Sweet Tea. This palette to me feels like summer, and I love summer. It's not my favorite month. I mean, favorite month. Hello. I really do highly recommend this palette. For 10 bucks, it's worth giving it a try. If you don't like the transition or matte shades, then just buy the palette for those shimmering shades, because you can obviously also use them as highlighters as well, and they're very good for highlighters. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can see me all the time, and also make sure to click the post notifications bell so you can see me every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. You can see me here on my channel, and also follow my social medias, which will be linked down below. Hit up your local Walmart because they're cheaper, and I will also link the palette down below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!